So you're probably wondering who I am and why am I qualified to be sharing about how to have your dust allergies disappear. For one, experience to me is the number one. So I used to have dust allergies and I cured my own allergies, healed my own allergies through what I'm going to be sharing with you. So that is the most important. I would never go to someone who hasn't actually done it themselves. Secondly, I'm a certified detoxification specialist. So I've actually studied at the International School of Detoxification in Florida, and I'm certified. I'm also a transformational, holistic health coach, helping hundreds of people, and also have helped specific people with dust allergies. I'm trained within the subconscious mind as well, and I use this and incorporate this with a lot of my clients. So that's just to give you an idea of who I am. I'm currently making this video in Bali. So I've lived in Bali now for about 6 months with my beautiful partner. And that's what we're doing now. And I'm so excited to be sharing this amazing wealth of information, knowledge, experience with you. So without further ado, let's jump into it.